I have a book on an interesting weapon from Indonesia, Malaysia, and Philippines. Hardcover book is a bibliography, and this is so beautiful. It's so simple, but it's beautiful to me. I remember I have a coin from Malaysia here, from Malaysia. Let's see what we got here. Here, a Chris. I have a book. I have a coin book. But I have one more. I think I have one more. Oh, yeah. This one is a pair of Chris. So, which one we can choose for the book? Why not both? Let's do both. Okay, something like this. Let's do it. I want to make it shiny. So, with the hope someday I can find a better one. In the meantime, just put in a capsule like this. Now we want to measure the diameter of the capsule. We have to make sure we have a really sharp blade here because we deal with a thick hardcover book, and the blunt one will damage the book. Yay! One cent Malaysia. Yeah. Okay, I want this one. Just somewhere here. back side will be like this, and then the front side, it's invisible. Okay, this is the back side. The front side is inside the jacket. I have a book. I have a coin book.